Hi, Kinder friends. I really miss you, and I'm so excited that we're going to be back together very soon. In the meantime, I've gone to this park, and my phone is balancing in the tree. So if it goes up and down a little bit, you know why, because it's a bit windy this afternoon. I'm going to try and read you a story while I'm here in this beautiful tree, hiding from the wind. This story is called The Doorbell Rang. This story has a lot of numbers in it, and I might need your help to figure it out. Here you go. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. Yummy cookies. And there's 2 children. And Ma said, share them between yourselves. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. There's 12 cookies here. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. They've got some visitors come from next door. Ma said, come in. You can share the cookies. How many children are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, and the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Ooh. How many children are there now? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 12 cookies. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, and the doorbell rang again. It was Joy and Simon and their 4 cousins. Oh my, look at that. Ma said, come in, you can share the cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many cookies will they get each? There's 12 cookies, and now there's 12 children. Can you help me figure that one out? That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy, and look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. And rang. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Who do you think's at the door? Any ideas? Do you think it's more children? Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plate. See, they've all got 1. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. It was Grandma with a whole tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, and the doorbell rang. Whoa, ding dong. They've got a lot of visitors in their house. There were 12 children, plus Ma, plus Grandma, and the doorbell rang again. I wonder who that could be. It's good they've got more cookies now. You know, you might want to make some cookies at home. Your favorite kind of cookies, some chocolate chip or some blueberry or some sultanas, and then you could see how many you would need to make for each person in your family to get one, and how many you would need to make for each person in your family to get 4. Might take a lot. I bet you can do it. See you next time.